Hello everyone. Hope everyone is doing fine and keeping themselves safe. Today I'm going to give you a quick demo of our complete solution for B2B supply chain model. So I'm going to log in into my supply chain model, that's a MonitorPro, with my admin credentials. So once I'm logged in as an admin credentials, I'm redirected to a MonitorPro summary dashboard where I can see the business aspects of my organizations. But today I'm going to show you our solution in the latest theme, that's the Prussian blue theme. So as we see on the left side, there's a dashboard where we can see the summary view. There's a document where we can have a detailed step-by-step view of our solution. There are exceptions, like in the system, there are multiple types of exceptions, right? So those exceptions we can track here. And even in the bell icon on the right side, we have a reports where we can generate multiple types of reports. We have a files where we can download these files, and we have a management where we can manage our multiple users and we can add these users as well. So I'm going to quickly minimize this screen. Filter where we can actually filter out the information depending on the latest analytical format on the summary dashboard. So I'm going to quickly check on what happened on the 4th June and apply this filter. So I see the trading partners and the orders invoice has been changed a little bit. So we have a top 5 trading partners list on the left hand side where I can see as a business owner what are my top 5 trading partners. I can see the total documents processed. I can see the average POs, average invoices per days, average payment and average volume of per invoices, and even the errors happened on that day. As I'm scrolling down, I can see the orders invoice on that particular day, shipping notice, number of error on which document type specifically. I can have a view for that as well. So further, I'm gonna explain you what features we have in the Monitor Pro, like the top 5 features. Okay, so I'm gonna check what my Walmart trading partner has been doing and how many orders I have till now. So as we see, we have these many orders from Walmart. So this is like the step-by-step view of the document with the respective status, like the order status as completed, of if the order status is in pending. So we can see that here. And if even if the order is failing at any particular phase, that's the shipment failure in this case. So we can have a look here. So now I'm going to quickly open one of the order just to explain you the document detail screen. So here we have a document detail screen where we can see the milestone summary, that this order milestone is successful. We can see the milestone line items, like the number of items which a customer is placing an order for. We also have an order date. We have also the have a expected delivery date for that order, and so on. So as we see in the green highlighted section, right? So this particular phase is successful, even the acknowledgement, even the shipment, but the invoice and payment is yet to be received. That's why it's in a gray state and that's a pending state. So this is all about the document detail screen. We also have the search filter, like the flexible search filter. Like if I want to search for a particular trading partner and I don't know who is the what is the name for the trading partner, so I'm just going to type the PO and I'm going to get a flexible search filter where I can see the purchase order number along with the Walmart, that's the trading partner name, also associated with the date. So it doesn't really have to memorize who's the trading partner or what is the date for this. So once I open this particular screen, I'm going to be directed to my document detail screen. Going ahead, we have exceptions in the system as well, right? So let's see how we manage these exceptions. So these exceptions we can get a notification from this bell icon as well. So these are the exceptions we have in the system with respective order numbers and reason for the failures and associated with the trading partners, also with the document type which is failing. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example of internal server error which was happening due to connectivity loss, right? So what we did, we inform our team, and as this particular exception is fixed, I'm going to reprocess this particular document. Okay, so once I reprocess this document, there's no more exception happening for this particular document. Also, unlike errors, we have anomalies in the systems. So anomalies can occur at any stage in the system. So as we all see in the screen, we have having a particular Walmart customer, like the order value and the accepted amount for that. So this orange line which we are seeing is the anomaly, and the expected range is highlighted in the blue section. So particularly for the trading partner Walmart, on the March 1st, the expected business was 4.5 million. So that's the expected range we have. But the business was made for the 5 million. So that was 11% change in the business, and the amount was zero point 0.5 million. Okay, so maybe this was because of the COVID-19 situation, but yeah, the Walmart was doing really good at that point. So, as a business owner, you need to have this insight for your view. What is happening with your orders and with your trading partners and so on, so that you can share this particular information with your other stakeholders. Unlike exceptions, we can have the reports. We can run this reports at runtime. So I'm going to give you an example for running this and generating this report. So I'm going to quickly run a report where I can see basically if I want the information on the document, or as an exception, or specific to the particular order type, and as well as date, with this month, last month, and before that. So I'm going to check for this exceptions. I want to actually see what exceptions happened in my system, and if I can generate a report for that. So these exceptions can be in on different form, like all exceptions, protocol connectivity error, translation error, EDI format error. So at this moment, I want to see just the EDI format error. So this is the after applying the filter, I got this two particular exceptions which happen. So I'm gonna save this exception as exception for EDI and save a report. So I can see this, my report is generated. I can even delete and download this report. So as we all see here, this report is downloaded in Excel format. And once this report is opened, I can see an Excel format for this report with the document type and so on. So guys, that would be all from my side, but we would be excited if you have more doubts or if you want to know more about our solution. So do reach out to us at www.royalcyber.com. Thank you.